Can Australian cattle dogs be used in tracking and trailing work? Australian cattle dogs, also known as blue heelers, are a highly energetic and intelligent breed. Originally developed for herding livestock, these dogs are known for their exceptional working abilities. But can they be used in tracking and trailing work as well? In this article, we will explore the characteristics and skills of Australian cattle dogs and determine if they are suitable for tracking and trailing tasks. To answer this question, we need to understand what tracking and trailing work entails. Tracking involves following the scent of a specific individual or object, while trailing involves following the scent of a general group of people or animals. Both disciplines require dogs with a strong sense of smell, endurance, focus, and the ability to work independently. Australian cattle dogs possess many attributes that make them potential candidates for tracking and trailing work. Firstly, they have a keen sense of smell. Their noses are incredibly sensitive, allowing them to detect and differentiate various scents. This is crucial in tracking and trailing, as dogs must be able to pick up and follow scent trails with precision. Moreover, Australian cattle dogs are highly intelligent and trainable. They are quick learners and have a strong desire to please their owners. These characteristics make them excellent candidates for tasks that require complex problem-solving and obedience, such as tracking and trailing. With proper training and socialization, Australian cattle dogs can easily comprehend and execute the commands necessary for successful tracking work. In addition, their high energy levels and endurance make Australian cattle dogs well suited for tracking and trailing tasks. These dogs were originally bred for herding livestock in harsh Australian conditions, which demanded stamina and resilience. This background ensures that Australian cattle dogs can handle the physically demanding nature of tracking and trailing work, as they have the stamina to cover long distances and work tirelessly for extended periods. Another advantage of Australian cattle dogs is their independent nature. While they are highly trainable and obedient, they also possess a natural inclination to work autonomously. This characteristic is vital in tracking and trailing tasks, as dogs need to be able to make decisions and follow scent trails without constant guidance from their handlers. Australian cattle dogs have the independence necessary to perform these tasks effectively. However, it is also important to consider some limitations of Australian cattle dogs when it comes to tracking and trailing work. While they excel in scent detection and endurance, their herding instinct might interfere with their ability to focus solely on the scent trail. These dogs are bred to control and move livestock, which means they may have a tendency to direct their attention towards other moving objects or animals. This could potentially distract them from the task at hand and hinder their tracking abilities. Additionally, Australian cattle dogs can be highly protective and possessive of their territory and family. While this quality makes them excellent guard dogs, it might affect their performance in tracking and trailing work. These dogs might prioritize protecting their handler or property over following a scent trail, potentially affecting their success in tracking endeavors. To mitigate these challenges, extensive training and socialization are crucial for Australian cattle dogs used in tracking and trailing work. Early exposure to various environments, people, and animals can help them develop focus and attentiveness to scent trails while minimizing distractions caused by their herding instincts. Consistent training and positive reinforcement methods can also channel their protective nature into a focused and driven approach towards tracking and trailing tasks. In conclusion, Australian cattle dogs possess many attributes that make them suitable candidates for tracking and trailing work. Their strong sense of smell, high intelligence, endurance, and independence make them well equipped for these tasks. However, their herding instincts and protective nature might pose challenges that require proper training and socialization. With the right approach, Australian cattle dogs can be highly effective in tracking and trailing work, utilizing their exceptional working abilities in yet another productive and fulfilling way.